Today we got a video from Police Insider, and the title of the video is "When Husband Beater Shows Up at Husband's Work."
So where was she hitting you at?
Around the back.
No, I'm saying like face?
No,
neck,
in the chest.
In the chest? Oh, you mind if
Actually hit me right here.
Mind if I see your?
I mean, that didn't really leave a mark.
Okay.
Wasn't
How long have you been married to her?
7 years.
7 years. Okay. And she was drinking?
She wasn't drinking here. I believe she has been drinking.
Okay.
I think you guys should give her a breathalyzer.
What was the argument over?
We're working on a trial separation, and she just texted me at work about it. The arguments are really because she drinks.
You work here?
I did.
Okay.
I was up there with 2 employees.
Okay. You have cameras inside, or it wasn't inside? It was on the side.
There's no cameras in the office.
Okay, but it was on the side of the building where she hit
No
you?
cameras in the back. There she is right there.
Excuse me, ma'am. Mind if I talk to you?
No, I actually.
I just this whole time for me, okay?
I have friends inside.
Okay.
So I'd rather you talk to them.
But I need to talk to you.
No, it's fine. But I'd rather you talk to
Papa
them.
3017 and Papa 3014 and Papa 3017.
Go ahead.
Could you step outside?
Can you talk to them, please?
I'm gonna talk to you. No, just stay here for me, okay?
No, he's already been labeled as abusive.
Hey, step back.
Just step over here with me.
Please
Step over
don't be
here.
rude.
I'm just trying to get y'all separated, okay?
I have friends inside who can attest to everything that he is saying anti.
Okay. Well, listen, we'll get to that in due time, okay?
No, please stop. I'm not.
Stop what?
Keyword, she has friends. So your friends are probably gonna back up whatever it is that you're saying. Why? Because they're your friends.
I'm here to help.
No, you're not.
How am I
Oh my
not?
God, because I have an attorney who says that you're not here to help.
Why would I not be here to help?
Can you please call Carol Caldwell?
I'm not going to call him right now. I need to talk to you.
It's not a him, it's a her.
Sorry, then I
Her
won't.
name is Carol Caldwell. Please call her.
You guys have security cameras here, don't you?
Yes.
Would we be able to have access to them?
Yeah, let me ask to get her.
We're gonna be out here with her.
You have an ID?
In my car, yes.
Okay. All right. Explain to me what's happening here. Why are we here?
That is my husband.
Okay, husband. There we go.
My husband. Please contact an attorney.
I will contact her.
No, I don't need to tell you what's happening. I'm not going to.
The officers found themselves caught between a messy trial separation, where the female was claiming to expose her abusive husband, who himself alleged that his wife was trying to ruin his reputation at his workplace. And in that moment, officers had no way of knowing who was telling the truth.
She came into my work. She started getting aggressive.
You work here?
Yes.
Okay.
So we're in the office. I'm actually onboarding 2 people. They're upstairs waiting for me. And she started getting aggressive, and then I said, let's talk outside. And when I got outside, she started hitting me. And then she got in her car, and I thought she was drinking, so I called you guys and reported that she's been drinking because she smelled of alcohol, and I haven't seen her drink, but usually she gets aggressive when she drinks.
You need to know that he is the most manipulative ever. He is called DCF. He has done everything.
She's had 2 DUIs. Okay. 1 recently, 1 goes to court in August. So she shouldn't be drinking at all. She's been to Lakeview Rehab Center. She has an IOP. She relapsed maybe like 5-6 weeks ago. She's been drinking since then.
And she showed up here at your job because y'all going through a...
We were going to do a trial separation, which means we live separate for a few months to see if she can get sober and get herself together.
And how did you guys end up over here where she hit you at?
For her car.
Oh, just for her cars? Okay. And she was hitting you in your chest?
Yeah, she pushed me and she started hitting me in my chest.
Was it closed fist, open hand?
Open.
Open hand, okay.
Open hand?
Do you have any marks on your chest?
I don't think so.
Do you mind, I know this is awkward, but do you mind lifting your...
Yeah.
Make sure core.
Please, is DCF is actually making a case against him.
For what?
Right now.
For what?
For abuse.
For abuse on...
Me.
Why would DCF have an abuse or a case on you?
Because he keeps calling DCF and he has no proof.
But why are you still with him then?
Do you know anything about abuse? Or no?
We deal with it
Do you
every
not
shift.
know anything about abuse?
We deal with it every shift.
Do you not? Oh, okay. Then you would know that a female hangs on to abuse
For personal
and
choice?
stays in. It is not personal choice.
Well, we're gonna
Thank
find
you.
out when we find the security camera. We're gonna take a look at exactly what happened.
I love
we're gonna
that for
figure out
you.
who's lying to us.
I love that for you.
Yeah. So just hang tight.
Oh my God.
Answer his questions and we'll go from there.
I have
okay?
been answering his questions.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
Her story makes zero sense. You talking about abuse? You hang on because of X, Y. Man, this is his workplace. So, with that being said, what are you doing there? You came to his workplace to start drama. It's not like you guys got into it when you were out at the house, when you at the crib or whatever. You had too many lemon drops, tequila, wine, whatever. You had too much of something and you decided to come over there and start trouble. This is embarrassing for this man. Feel bad for this guy, man. It's embarrassing. And guess who's the center of attention inside that all the coworkers are talking about? And if they got clients, what are the clients talking about? They're talking about you two. Just a bad look, man. And it's not good when you start messing with the money.
Doing that then.
You don't need to be a smart ass.
You don't need
No, I'm gonna walk away because I'm not being held.
No.
I'm not being held against my will. Please stop. I have my attorney, Carol. I will have her contact you. He is a problem. He has already been reported as a problem.
Okay.
He has actually been arrested for domestic violence on his part, not mine.
Both of them were just throwing allegations around, but it was only the husband who had shared a clear story. The female was visibly intoxicated, and letting her leave the scene of investigation was not an option to consider.
I am so sorry that this is happening.
No, ma'am.
No, I am
ma'am.
actually going to walk away.
No, ma'am, you are temporarily
No, you're not.
detained at this time.
No, you're not. What you're gonna do is you're gonna put your hands behind your back.
You're
and
not-
right-
what?
You're
No.
do not resist.
What?
No.
Are you
Put your hands
kidding
behind
me?
your back.
Are you kidding me?
Get her together.
Are you kidding me?
Keep your hands to yourself.
What? I'm not. I'm not. I am not.
Don't make no funny movements.
What are you doing?
Might have to
I am
tase you.
not.
We told you what to do and you did not listen.
What are you doing? I did not. I never once not listened. Ever.
Stop.
Face the
Face
wall.
the wall.
Face the
I
wall.
never not listened. What are you doing?
You pulled away from us and you tried to walk away after we told you you're not
No,
going to do it.
I said my attorney would step in.
Yeah, he's going to after this.
She.
Okay, they.
Please stop calling her a him. It's a
They.
she.
Put her in her car.
Yep.
They, them.
I have not done anything wrong. I have not done anything wrong.
That officer.
Okay. I'm sorry about that. Continue with your.
You want to pat her down, please?
Yeah, I'll do that if y'all want to grab a pair of zip ties.
Okay, yes. Absolutely.
I have not done anything wrong. I don't
You got her?
understand.
You got her?
She was threatening me that she was going to embarrass me, so I asked her to step outside. And when I stepped outside, she got louder and more aggressive. Then she started hitting me, and then I said I was going to call the police. And she got in her car, so I called you guys that she was getting in her car, going to drive away.
Oh my God. This
So-
is my ex-husband making it through.
Do you have anything on you that
This
could
would've
stick
went a
me,
lot
poke me,
different.
hurt me, or anything like
No, this is my ex-husband
that?
making it
Hey,
through.
listen. Do you have anything on you that could stick
No,
me, poke
I
me,
have
hurt me?
nothing. I would never.
Okay. Do you have anything illegal
Oh
on you?
my God, no.
Okay,
Never.
spread your feet.
I
Stay
love that
facing
you
the
guys
car.
are on his
Stop
side.
moving. Stop moving.
Face the car and
Oh
spread
my
your feet.
God, please.
Or you're
Spread your
gonna
feet.
end up on your face on the ground.
Do not make
Do you
this harder.
understand? Spread your feet.
Put your feet. Spread your feet.
I am scared.
There's nothing to be afraid
She got
of.
flexi
Our
cuffs.
job.
We were trying to...
thought he had flexi cuffs or anything. Oh, he does.
Unfortunately, there were no cameras covering the area where the alleged assault had happened or any witnesses to question, and unless the wife agreed to provide answers, officers would just be left with the husband's account to rely on.
Can you please call?
All right, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in court.
Unfortunately, my camera angle, so it's on the other side of the facility, and it cuts off right at the end of the paved lot, about where that gray storage building is. So if you guys are looking for footage from the gravel lot back there, I got that. Okay, let me clarify real quick. I appreciate it. Yeah, no problem. Well, I'm happy to share it with you guys. We appreciate that.
Or by request to consult with your attorney. Do you understand?
Tell me what I did.
Do you understand each of these rights that I have explained?
Please tell me what I did.
Do you understand?
No, I don't understand them.
Having these rights in mind, so you understand what I've explained to you. Yes or no?
No. Because what did you do? Do you know that DCF has him under investigation? Do you know that?
Can you listen to me?
Do you know that?
Can you listen to me?
And you're not trying to work for me.
I'm trying to work
She
for
is
you.
a train wreck.
I'm trying to work
You're
with
not.
you, okay?
You're not. Do you know what DCF has discovered? Please answer me.
Move your foot.
Please just answer me.
Move your foot.
Please.
Before we move any
I
further.
just want to go home.
Okay, and I'm trying to
I
work
don't
with
want
you,
to
but
be
you're not.
with him. I don't
You're
want
being
to be with him.
uncooperative. You're being uncooperative.
I'm not. I
Okay,
don't
so
want to be with him.
so help me help you. Okay?
Please, I don't want to be with him.
Help me help you, okay?
Can you please call Carol? Call
We're gonna get to that, but I need you to listen to me, okay?
Okay.
So I'm gonna read this again. Okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in court.
Can I say no?
You have the right to have an attorney with you prior to, during, or
And I'm
after your
asking
questioning.
for an attorney.
Okay.
I'm asking for Carol. Please.
Look at that.
Are you guys co-owners of this vehicle? Are you guys co-owners of the vehicle?
No, it's under my name.
So it's technically your vehicle? Okay.
I mean, if that's not enough reason to...
Look at that. What I say? I said wine. You see that Pinot Grigio. Don't act like you don't know. Nice little white wine. You see that? Sunshine Bliss.
I mean, if that's not enough reason to arrest
Yeah, like he said, we're trying to work through that because technically we don't have a real witness. So that kind of puts a damper on our investigation as far as that. The only thing we have right now is open carry. So we'll get through that. We'll figure it out.
The 38-year-old female was charged with battery domestic violence, resist officer without violence, and battery on an officer. YouTube thinks you'll love the video on screen.
Wow. Sounds like, obviously she was a lovely lady at one point in time, but she let her addiction get the best of her and has turned into a nightmare. Hopefully that brother gets far, far away from her. Probably gonna get all your shit taken from you, but hey, it's the price you pay getting married, right? But besides that, but hey, whatever it is that you guys got to go through, you get your sanity back, man. You get your woosah. You know what I mean? You get your peace back. Ooh, because I could tell she is probably a nightmare. And it's really only because of her addiction. If she could get away from them Pinot Grigios, she might be actually a decent person. But until then, you better get that divorce. Okay? Better get that divorce before she relapse again. It is what it is. You're going to take a hit. But hey, or, her lawyer, she keep bringing up her lawyer, Carol, she got Carol on payroll, man. She gonna get a nice cut, boy. But anyway, I'm just fooling around, man. Yeah, so I get the cops credit because they made something out of nothing, because honestly, it's just he say, she say. Honestly, the no video footage, no witness, nothing. The cops made something out of nothing, man. So hey, they helped that brother out, man. 4 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.